Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. We are back on the 69 Mach 1 R code. We are continuing with the disassembly process. We already have the interior out of the car, dash, seats, carpet. I think it's like pretty much there as far as the interior is concerned. We are now moving to the engine bay. We're doing fenders, we're doing the grill, all the things associated with the engine bay. So our goal is to get this car apart this week and get it on a rotisserie and kind of get this project moving along. So let's get it set up on time lapse and see how she does. Okay, so that's the disassembly there for a majority of that car. So I kind of forgot to film the ending of that video. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is taking off like the suspension. Like we're going to go to the, put the vehicle in the lift and remove the front suspension, all the control arms, coil springs, and the rear end and all that kind of stuff. And then from there it'll be going on to the rotisserie and going to sandblasting. So, but I did kind of forget to film the ending of that. So, so we're kind of doing this a little later. And here's a little sneak peek of what she currently looks like. So stick around and watch this series. So it'll be fun kind of building this car. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.